Hey guys, what's up? Pigeon guy here. One of my um, one of my babies. She's for sale now. They're all for sale though. So yeah, not all. Sorry. Pardon me. Just two. Yeah. This is the one. This is the one. It's on sale. And yeah, this is the one. And this is the niche make to this one. This one is also. Come on now. Ready now. I will do a much in detail video and there's also one. This one is also a nice one. So, like I said, I will make a deeper video on the pigeons. So yeah, guys, I will make a video on them individually. So yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for also tuning into my videos. And yeah, guys, great stuff is happening here. Great stuff on my side. Thank you guys for the support. Peace.